Welcome. Today we'll learn how to find 1/3 of 100. Let's write this as a division problem. 100 divided by 3. Let's visualize this. Here we have 100 squares arranged in a 10 by 10 grid. We want to split these squares into 3 equal groups. Let's solve this step by step. First, we can think of this as dividing 100 by 3. 100 divided by 3 is the same as asking, what number times 3 equals 100? Let's divide the squares into 3 groups. The first group will be colored red, the second group blue, and the third group green. Now, let's count how many squares are in each group. The first group has 33 squares. The second group has 33 squares. The third group has 33 squares. And we have 1 square left over. So when we divide 100 by 3, we get 33 with a remainder of 1. As a decimal, this is 33.333, continuing forever. Therefore, 1/3 of 100 is 33.333. We can round this to 33.3 for most practical purposes.